In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tooltips in Draw.io quickly. Tooltips are those little pop-up notes that appear when you hover over a shape or connector. They're perfect for clarifying acronyms, adding quick instructions, or giving context without cluttering the canvas. Let's walk through the simplest way to add or edit them so your diagrams are easier to understand at a glance. First, open your web browser and go to Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. You can start a new diagram or open an existing one, either works. Once your canvas is ready, click the object you want to annotate. This can be a basic shape, an icon, or even a connector. Make sure it's actually selected. You'll see the resize handles appear around it when it is. Selection matters because the shortcut we're about to use applies to whatever is currently highlighted. With the object selected, press Alt plus Shift plus T on your keyboard. On a Mac, the Option key takes the place of Alt, so it's Option plus Shift plus T. This opens the tooltip editor for that specific object. You'll see a small text box where you can type the message you want to show on hover. Keep it short and clear. Think 1 to 2 lines that explain the what or the why. If you need multiple lines, use a line break to separate ideas. Avoid long paragraphs. Tooltips are meant to be quick helpers, not full documentation. When you're happy with the text, confirm your changes. Depending on your interface, that might mean clicking Apply, OK, or simply pressing Enter. If you change your mind, you can come back to the same object later and repeat the shortcut to tweak the text. It's fast and consistent. Now, to see your tooltip in action, deselect the object by clicking on an empty area of the canvas, then hover over the shape. You should see the note appear after a brief moment. If you don't, try zooming in slightly and hovering again, or make sure you aren't still in text edit mode on another shape. Also, remember that tooltips only show when hovering, not when an object is actively selected. A few quick tips to keep things clean. Use consistent phrasing across your diagram so readers instantly recognize what a tooltip offers. Avoid jargon unless your audience expects it, and save your file after making several tooltip edits to capture your changes. And that's it. You've added a clear, helpful tooltip to your Draw.io object using a single shortcut. Keep refining as you build out your diagram, and your viewers will thank you for the extra clarity.